your hands and sing with me. Let's explore the ABC. Jump and laugh and dance around. Letters make a happy sound. A is for apricot, juicy and sweet. A, treat, treat, treat. B is for butterfly, flutter by. B, sky, sky, sky. C is for carousel, round we go. C, slow, slow, slow. D is for desert, sand so wide. D, ride, ride, ride. E is for emerald, shiny and green. E, sparkle queen. F is for fountain, splash and spray. F, play, play, play. G is for glacier, icy and bright. G, white, white, white. H is for hammock, swing and sway. H, lazy day. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Alphabet is such a treat. Sing the sound and you will see. Letters can sing A to Z. I is for iceberg, floating slow. I, glow, glow, glow. J is for jaguar, quick and fast. J, dash, dash, dash. K is for kite, fly so high. K, sky, sky, sky. L is for lemon, sour bite. L, bright, bright, bright. M is for moon, shining at night. M, light, light, light. N is for newspaper, read the page. N, learning stage. O is for owl, who's so wise. O, big round eyes. P is for panda, black and white. P, cut all tight. Sing the letters, clap your hands. Learning fun across the lands. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing through the ABC. Q is for quokka, smiling light. Q, joy inside. R is for rainbow, colors glow. R, row by row. S is for sofa, jump and sit. S, comfy fit. T is for tank, rumble loud. T, strong and proud. U is for uniform, neat and clean. U, proud routine. V is for violin, play